Stephanie is an independent financial advisor who is part of the Financial Services Network. She loves the services she receives from the network and couldn't imagine life without them. Now she wants to focus on creating the customized, best-in-class investing experience for her clients that she knows they deserve. But she thinks it'd be expensive and problematic to hire full-time staff to deliver this service internally, and outsourcing to a third party that isn't tailored for her or her clients' needs creates its own set of problems. Then she discovered that the network provides just the solution she's been looking for. The network's portfolio consulting team is a group of investment professionals, research analysts, and trade administrators with decades of Wall Street and institutional experience. Their solutions are based on your investment outlook and preferences, but most importantly, your participation and engagement in the process. The portfolio consulting team will collaborate with you to develop a model unique to your office and provide the platform and technology to deploy these solutions across your entire book of business and on multiple custodial partners. They handle all trading, so you don't need to worry about missed opportunities in the market or account-level customization and tax efficiency. Stephanie began using the network's portfolio consulting team and hasn't looked back since. She's now more confident, energized, and inspired by having a better institutional investment experience for her business. She even has more free time to spend with clients, prospects, and with her family, all thanks to her partnership with the Financial Services Network. Now that's a partnership worth celebrating.